We wanted to do our first potato harvest today. It's like in the 90s already, it's super hot. We just dug up this bed. Got a little bit of, not a little bit, but you know what? That's enough for us. There's only 4 of us. My 2 little girls that are working, and then my wife. So that's enough potatoes. We still got this bed to do. As you can see, they're not fully grown, but the heat's really killing them back, so we definitely need to do something about it today. In the middle, again, you have my all of our leafy greens, and on top our root vegetables. This bed is a little hard to get up going, but we got corn. We got a couple of them. Our tomato bed coming out really good. They love the heat, and we got them stringed up with these strings here just to go single stem. They're packed with tomatoes. Then over here we have our I saw a squirrel too. We got our pepper bed. We got some more growing seedlings transplant. Squash bed with Malabar. So Malabar's gonna run all of this here, and then our cucumber. But keep on having problems with cucumber because of the my dog keeps on eating everything. Can't stop her, so I got her inside the chicken coop. Then I got some a cherry tree right here, and then the cherry tree, of course, is has a line with irrigation. Yeah, it's this one right here. Then today, because my oldest is scared of the dog, we put the dog inside with the chickens. Yeah, it's Candy's trap, so there she is. The chicken coop, feeder, and then water is down here somewhere. The chickens are all scared down there. Yeah, we'll kind of come back and show you guys how much potatoes we actually got. Get the onions so we can make a soup. Oh, that's a good one. Let me see. That's a nice little fatty one. Okay. What is that? Is that another potato plant right there? Right here. That one. That one. Is it still in there? Yeah, pull it out. There might be some potatoes. Alright, let's dig in there. Let's get the onion first. Get that onion. Nice onion. Yeah, that's how we like them. Baby, there's an onion right there. Can you get it?
Get it.
Onion. Nivea, look at your sister. That's a good onion too. There's 2 onions right here. Onion there, onion here. Pull it. Pull it. Pull it. Okay. Little onion. What about that one?
It's a skinny one.
That's a skinny onion. Get the other one, Nivea.
Get this one. Get it.
Nice. Okay, let's get that tomato plant out. The onions a little bit early too, just because we want to make sure that they're a little bit more tender. We kind of like them like that, so mid-size is perfect for us.
1, 2, 3.
Pull them, girls. Okay, good onion. Where'd that one come from? Oh, from there? Grab it from the bottom. There you go. Pull it, pull it, pull it, pull it. You can do it, Nivea. Come on, I'll help you. Go, 1, 2, 3. Go, go, go. Good job. That's a good onion.
Okay.
Ooh, nice. Last one.
Leave it at me. Come on, let's do it together.
Go, Nivea. Last onion.
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's hold it.
1, 2, and help her. 1, 2, and 3.
Oh.
Okay, little onion.
Yeah.
All right, now we gotta put some compost in. Oh, look, the strawberries.
Where?
Right here. No, don't pull them. Look, there's a flower.
Oh my God.
That's gonna turn into a strawberry.
Oh, strawberry.
So we gotta put all the dirt back in and then get some compost and amend them and start planting again. What are we gonna plant next year?
I will say carrots.
Carrots? All right, we could do that. All right.